just need to sand it now with a 40 or 60 grit to remove the rest. Yep. Looks pretty good.
It's revoltingly hot, and my sander keeps breaking like all the little Velcro things that's supposed to make it stick. They're not, so my pads keep falling off, and I've just decided to take a break and come up into this hot cabin and start cleaning a little bit.
Look at those dodgy repairs. There was cracks everywhere. They digged it out and filled it up with just a tiny bit of filler. Crazy. How you do it, you send it back to fiberglass, you put a strip of fiberglass over it, and you re-fur it. That's what we're gonna do. Angela, you like the sander?
I love it, anyway.
I didn't tell you that was your Valentine's Day present. Happy Valentine's Day. So here, as you can see, we grind it all up back to the fiberglass. We're filling those holes with resin and aerosol. Then here I added fiberglass, a piece of fiberglass on top. And while it is still fresh, I am now doing bloom. What do they call those?
The micro balloons.
Micro balloons to fur it nice and flat. There we go. And all of it. Just like applying plaster.
Then on the other side, I am starting to do the sanding, and I've started with a 40 grit, and then I'm coming in with 120, and it's finishing quite nicely actually. I'm really happy with how smooth that feels.
Taking forever to send one line when sending the whole hole.
Are you talking to yourself?
No, I'm not talking to myself.
What are you doing, Alex?
I'm just making a beautiful keel.
It's a lovely keel.
It's a lovely keel, isn't it?
I better be careful and stop him, otherwise he's going to do the whole hull. Today has been a day of sanding and fiberglassing. I've sanded all along here and along there and the other side. I've patched some holes, and Alex is really angry about using, what is it, 2 to 1?
2 to 1, yes.
Is that the resin?
The resin, yes.
Yeah.
I like 5 to 1.
He likes 5 to 1 because when he rolls it in place it stays, but you see the drips there? That doesn't normally happen with a 5 to 1, and
Yeah, it does, but
not as much though. I'll show you what he's been doing on the other side. He's absolutely horrified. Look at that. It's going to be a sanding nightmare. Ugh, all those holes, dips. So this is where he bought the 2 to 1. And check out the difference. Right here is where he had the 5 to 1. So it's much, much nicer. But I'm taking the day off the boat tomorrow, and I'm going to be in my workshop making jewellery. So guess who's sanding? Where is he? That guy. This is his problem.